Hi everybody, we'll just show you a quick video on how to install the powered side wing when installing into the Infinity PowerDeck floor. Previous video I'll show you how to install the floor part. We've got Anderson power outlet there, you can see, excuse the lighting. Simply offer up the wing, pre-wired switch pack. So if you've got the LED strip like this one has, you need to connect that. Like so. So that's literally plug and play. You can go aside and underneath if you like. Pre-wired Anderson plug with fuse straight in to the PowerDeck and you're done. So you offer up that wing kit, it'll line up with 3 holes in the base, 3 supplied bolts. Tighten them up. Once they're tight, you are ready to go. So you got your lift outs there. Literally less than a minute you've installed it. No wiring needed, all plug and play.